In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a block in AutoCAD. A block is simply a collection of objects that you bundle together and treat as a single item. This is perfect for repeated elements like symbols, fixtures, or details you want to reuse consistently. Creating a block saves time, keeps your drawings organized, and helps maintain standards. Start by selecting the geometry you want to turn into a block. You can click each part one by one, or use the lasso selection to grab everything in one smooth motion. Take a moment to zoom in and make sure every piece you need is included. Lines, arcs, text, whatever makes up the shape. If you accidentally select something extra, hold Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. It's worth being precise here because whatever you select now becomes the content of your block. With your object selected, type block into the command line and press enter. This opens the block definition dialog box, which is where you'll set up the details. Think of this as giving your block its identity. First, enter a name. Choose something descriptive and clear so you and your teammates can recognize it later. Consistent naming helps a lot when your drawing grows or when you build a library of reusable components. Next, set a base point. The base point is the anchor from which the block will be inserted and moved. Click the Pick Point option in the dialog, then snap to a logical, repeatable spot, an end point, a midpoint, the center of a circle, or a corner that makes sense for alignment. Using object snaps here ensures accuracy and makes placement predictable when you reuse the block elsewhere. Now, set the units. Choose the units that match your drawing environment, such as millimeters, inches, or unitless, if that's your standard. Getting units right prevents scaling surprises when you insert the block into other files or share it across projects. Before confirming, glance over the settings to make sure the selected objects are correctly listed and that the base point and name look right. When you're satisfied, click OK. Just like that, your selected geometry is now a block. From this point on, that block behaves as a single object. It's easier to move, copy, and manage, and you can reuse it wherever you need it in the same drawing or others. Creating blocks this way keeps your workflow clean, consistent, and efficient. And that's all it takes to create a block in AutoCAD.